Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, Mac OS updated and your keyboard working. Press Shift-Command 5 to open the screenshot toolbar. This immediately puts capture options on screen. Once the controls appear, select one of three modes: capture entire screen, capture selected window, or capture selected portion. Make sure to glance at options to set save location and timer. These influence where files go and delay behavior. Now, position any windows or content you want to include. This makes the next step decisive and fast. Once your toolbar is active, drag the selection handles to crop exactly what you need. You can hold space to move the selection and shift to constrain an edge. Use the Options menu to pick a save folder, enable a 3 or 10-second timer, show mouse clicks, or enable microphone for video. If you chose a window mode, hover and click the window to capture it. When ready, click Capture or press Enter. The system saves automatically, so you can continue without interruption. After capture, a floating thumbnail appears for quick edits. Click it to crop, annotate, or share. These changes update the saved file. For more control, open the image in Preview to adjust size, export as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and rename the file. If your screenshot doesn't save or shortcuts don't work, check keyboard shortcuts in System Settings and Screen Recording/Privacy Permissions. Make sure Screenshot app is allowed. If problems persist, restart the screenshot process or reboot to reset temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.